Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Sahana Bhavato Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhetavastu ma vidvishavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All these terms we are familiar with. Some are technical, some are common names. The last class, we were doing reading practice. We'll continue with that. I think all these words we read in the last class. I think the three-lettered word we didn't read. You can start from here. Then I will introduce another topic. Okay, I will start from Deepaji. You can read.
Kamal. Kamala.
Kamala, not Kamal. Kamala. It is La.
Okay. Thank you.
So like Hindi, we should not cut the last vowel. It should be pronounced as it is. Next person, Akosh.
Yes, Guruji.
Please read.
Panasa.
Again.
Panasa.
Panasa. It is na. I'm not hearing the na properly. Panasa.
Na. Panasa.
Na is dental. Na. Panasa.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Panasa.
Yes. Next person, Ravi Raja.
Utaja.
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 Yes. Next one, Akanksha.
Yes, Guruji.
Please read a word. Next word.
Chamasa.
Chamasa. Next person, Yajnapriya.
Yes, GST. Aushada.
Aushada. Good. Next one, Bhavaneshi.
Makara.
Makara. Parul Patwaji. Next one. You can unmute your mic and read. And after that, you can mute.
Nathana.
Nayana.
Yes. Nayan. Okay.
Nayana.
Nayana.
Yes. See, when
Nayan.
you're unmuting your mic, please make sure that there is no noise around you. Umaji, there is noise. Noise is there, that is why I'm muting the mic. When you unmute the mic, make sure that there is no noise. The fan also can make noise. Okay, then the next one. Yoganandaji.
Chataka.
Chataka. Next person, Subbalakshmi. Subbalakshmi can read.
Sharana.
Sharana. Next person, Deepika. And Krishna.
Bhavana.
Bhavana. Yes. Next one. Krishna.
Mana.
Deepika. Again.
Manana.
Manana. Now Deepa, you can read.
Janaka.
You can read 3 words. This also.
Gagana. Krusham.
Again.
Rusham.
No,
Rushama. Sorry. Rushama.
read properly. No, not correct.
Krushama.
It's not ma.
Bha. Okay. Krushabha.
Again.
Krushabha.
What is the first letter?
Kru.
It is not kr. It is r,
Ru.
not kr.
Okay. Rushama. Rushabha. Oh, Rushabha.
It is rishabha.
Thank you.
Kr is different. R is different.
Okay.
Kr is the combination of the consonant and the vowel. The vowel r. We're going to see that the next topic. So this is r, rishabha. Next person, Akosh, you can read.
Utana. Sarala.
Sarala. It is short.
Palasha.
Yes. Next person, Ravi Raja.
Anaga.
Anaka. Please to continue. Ravi Raja.
Guruji.
The one before that.
Amara. Bhajana.
Yes. Akanksha.
Gamana. Upavana. Chalana.
Good. Next person, Yajnapriya.
Yes, ji. Amata. Davala. Pavala.
Yajnapriya ji,
Yes, ji. Pavala.
you know, you've got a beautiful name, Yajnapriya.
So, yes, ji.
It is in the Lalita Sahasranama.
Yes, ji.
Who named you?
Father's friend.
Definitely the person may be a Upasaka, Devi Upasaka, and must be very familiar with Lalita Sahasranama.
Yes.
Taking the name from Lalita Sahasranama is named Yajnapriya, Yajnakarta, Yajamana Swarupini.
Yes,
Comes
ji.
in Lalita Sahasranama. Do you know Lalita Sahasranama?
Not that much, but I remember my line.
Okay, next person. Bhuvaneshi.
Yes. Lavana. Kanaka. Varada.
Next person. Parulji.
Ganapa.
Ganapa. Okay.
Huh.
Yeah.
Tarala. Maghava.
Yes. Next person, Yoganandaji.
उपद मतम चतर
Tara. Next person, Zulakshmi.
गतम वनज चषक
Shashaka. I have saved your number as Subbalakshmi student because I have my school teacher. My school teacher name is Subbalakshmi. She's also there in my phone list.
Okay.
So to distinguish that, Subbalakshmi student, I have saved your name.
Okay.
Very good teacher, one of the favorite
Avasar.
teacher. Avasara.
Avasara, sorry.
Okay, next person now, Deepika.
तरण पटल उपगम
Yes, next person, Krishna.
उपपद दलगत जल आगमन
Agavan. Krishna ji, your name is Krishnavadan Gandhi.
Yes.
This Gandhi from? Is it from the Gujarat?
गुजरात
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh. Next person, Raja.
नवतश
Yeah.
रजत पचन
I think these words we have read in the last class, doesn't matter anyway. So these are simple words. Simple words, I mean, there is no consonant, that vowel, that combination like kaka, kiki, kuku, and those things. It's going to come, the next topic. So these words we should be able to read fluently. So we know that Varnamala classification as vowels and consonants, swar, achaha and halaha, and what are simple and conjunct, and short and long. Similarly, the classification of consonants as varga vinjanani and tastaha, ushmanaha, all the Saṃskṛta name. Please be familiar with that. Need to know that name. Then all the varna and what are the aspirate, non-aspirate, mahaprana, alpaprana in Saṃskṛtam, soft consonant, hard consonant, mridu vinjanani, kator vinjanani, all those things we have seen. So now we are going to see next topic. Consonants, we know. Consonants cannot be pronounced independently. Consonants cannot be pronounced independently. Without vowels, it cannot be pronounced. That is why consonants without vowel is like a body without life. So, without a vowel added to the consonant cannot be produced. Either it should be added after the consonant, or the vowel should precede the consonant so that you can read. At least you can hear the sound of the consonant. Either the vowel should be added to the consonant after the consonant, or the vowel should precede the consonant so that the consonant sound can be heard. Otherwise, without vowel, consonants alone, you cannot pronounce it. The sound stops at the very place of pronunciation. The sound of the consonants stops at the very place of pronunciation. Sound doesn't come. So that is why we say the consonants are like the body. Vowels give life. That is why in Tamil also it's called Uyir Eluthu, Mei Eluthu. Mei means body. Now, the consonants without vowel, they are written like this. You will see a stroke at the bottom of the consonant. Ka you write, and at the bottom there is a stroke. In English, we call it as a nether stroke. Nether. There is no Saṃskṛta name for it. Nether stroke, a stroke at the bottom. How do you read this? You cannot read. You try to read. Try, anybody? Please try to read.
Ka. Ka.
It is not ka. When you say ka, the sound a is
Kakara. Kakara.
Kakara is not the pronunciation of the letter.
Okay.
It you are denoting the letter. You are addressing the letter. You are pointing to the letter by adding a kara. That's a suffix.
Okay.
That is not the pronunciation of the consonant, right?
Okay. Okay.
Ik, Guruji.
Ik is not correct one. When you say ik, you are adding e to the consonant before the consonant.
Okay.
When you say ik, from where the sound e has come?
Oh. Okay.
That's not correct. It cannot be pronounced. Generally, people they try to say it as ik. It is not ik. It is in fact k. And you hear the sound. That's all. It cannot be pronounced. It stops at the very throat itself. So, therefore, these are pure consonants which cannot be pronounced. Really speaking, consonants are like this only. These are the consonants. But we learned the consonant. We learned consonant ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. How did we pronounce then? We added the vowel a to the consonant. We added the vowel a to the consonant. For the sake of pronunciation, we added the vowel so that the consonants can be pronounced, can be learned. Otherwise, how do you learn? How do you learn the pronunciation of the consonant? Not possible. But pure consonants are written like this only. So you need to know. Pure consonants cannot be pronounced and they're written with a stroke at the bottom. So this is just for your knowledge I am showing. Okay. So all these are pure consonants. So consonants without vowel are written like this. Now, we added the vowel a to these consonants so that we can pronounce it. So that is what you see now in the screen. For the sake of pronunciation, the letter is added. So now you see the consonant. The first consonant of the kavarga plus a is equal to ka. Second, the letter plus a is equal to ka. Because this cannot be pronounced, that's why I'm saying second letter. Third letter of the first class plus a is equal to ga. Fourth letter plus a is equal to ga. Similarly, the fifth letter, which is the nasal, plus a is equal to na. So when you add a vowel, you see what happens. The nether stroke disappears. In the result, you don't see the nether stroke. First consonant plus a is equal to ka. When you say ka, where is the nether stroke? Not there, because a is added, therefore nether stroke vanishes, disappears. So now you can pronounce ka, kha, ga, gha, na. Right? Similarly, for all the consonants, the first letter of the second class plus a is equal to cha. The second letter of the second class plus a is equal to cha. third letter of the second class plus I is equal to ja. Fourth letter of the second class plus I is equal to ja. Similarly, fifth letter, that is a nasal letter of the second class plus I is equal to na. This is how it is. This is how it is pronounced. Okay. Understand this?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
So now this is an equation. This equation to be, you have to read the equation. See, I should not say the first letter or the first class plus I is equal to ka. The first letter of the second class plus I is equal to cha. So instead of saying like that, I can say this is the first letter of the first class, which cannot be pronounced. But I want to address the consonant. I want to point that consonant. So for that, what we do is we add the suffix called kara. Kara is a suffix. Like in English, we have suffix. Go plus ing, going, that ing suffix. We have many suffixes. So similarly, in Saṃskṛtam, we add the suffix kara. In Tamil also we do akara, agara mudala, agara and all. So in Saṃskṛtam it is called kara. Kara, the suffix added to the consonant. Kara is just a suffix. The word, the shabda kara to be added, literally added. So the first letter being, that is with the vowel being ka, adding kara to that, this can be addressed now as kakara. So I can call the first letter of the first class, that is a pure consonant, as kakara. Kakara plus I is equal to ka. Similarly, the second letter, which is kakara, I can call it as kakara. Kakara is not the pronunciation of that consonant, remember. Kakara plus A is equal to ka. Similarly, third letter, the third consonant, which with the vowel A is ga, and if I add the suffix kara, becomes gakara, and that gakara denotes the pure consonant, the third letter, pure consonant. So gakara plus A is equal to ga. Similarly, fourth letter, gakara plus A is equal to ga. Fifth letter, nakara plus akara. I can say a or I can say akara. Both are okay. A is a pronunciation of the vowel. Akara denotes the vowel. So nakara plus a is equal to nakara. Now, similarly, chakara plus a is equal to cha. Chakara plus a is equal to cha. Jakara plus a is equal to ja. Jakara plus a is equal to ja. Yeah. Can you follow me? Understand this? Adding the suffix kara.
Yes.
We should not pronounce the consonant, pure consonant, as, for example, the first letter of the second class as ich. This is not ich. This is chakara. This is not ij. It is chakara. Third letter of the second consonant. Jakara plus a. Now, similarly, the next letter, takara plus a is equal to ta. Takara plus a is equal to ta. Dakara plus a is equal to dha. So, by adding the vowel a to the pure consonant, which are addressed by adding the suffix, we get the consonant vowel combination. And those can be pronounced. Now we can pronounce kha, kha, ga, gha, nga, cha, cha, ja, ja, nga, ta, ta, da, da, na. This is what we learned. Okay. I hope you all can follow. Then, similarly, fourth class, fifth class, semi-vowels and sibilants. Now, can you all read the equation?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Adding kara to the pure consonant and the vowel, then you get the pure consonant. Okay. Now, if we add the vowel akara to these consonants, 33 consonants, why can't we add all the consonants? Sorry, all the vowel, not all the vowels. Why can't we add all the vowels? Adding the vowel a to these consonants, we get ka, kha, ga, ga, nga, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya, etc. If the vowel a can be added, similarly, all the 13 vowels can be added. That is what we are going to see. Well, that is consonant-vowel combination. Then how many letters will be there? Consonant plus vowel. 13 vowels are there. 33 consonants. So 33 into 13. So many combinations will be there. So that is it. The next topic. So consonants with vowel combination. All the vowels can be added to the consonant. And we have seen when you add the vowel to the consonant, the nether stroke of the consonant, that is the stroke at the bottom, disappears, number one. Then these vowels have a special sign, symbol. These vowels will get a special symbol, sign, when added to the consonants. That is, the vowels are represented by a special sign. That is what we are going to see. They are called in Saṃskṛtam Gunitaksharani, the vowel signs. The vowel signs, the vowel symbols, the representation of the vowels with the consonants is called Gunitaksharani. That also a technical name. So, the vowel added to the consonant. Now, the resultant will be the combination of the pure consonant plus the vowel. Now, the vowel will get a special sign. It will be represented by a special sign. And that sign is called Gunitaksharani. Now, you can see. So, here, just for our study here, let us assume the consonant is represented by this dotted circles. Dotted circle. Consonant is represented by a dotted circle. You assume this is a consonant, any consonant. Just it isn't like in mathematics, it's an X. Now to this pure consonant, this is a consonant, pure consonant, we're going to add vowel. When you add the vowel a, we have seen the nether stroke vanishes. When you add any vowel, the first thing happens is nether stroke vanishes. Now, that we have seen already. Now the vowel a is added. When you add the vowel akara to the consonant, then the consonant will look like this. The consonant plus the stroke to the right of it. That is the consonant vowel combination. Consonant plus the vowel combination. The vowel is the long vowel a. Similarly, we can add all the vowels. If you add the vowel E, then the vowel E will be represented by the stroke as you see in the screen to the left of the consonant. The vowel sign, that is the vowel sign. The vowel sign which is to the left of the consonant, it denotes the vowel E. And when the long vowel is added, E, then it is represented by the stroke to the right of the consonant. Then the vowel U, when added to the consonant, it will be represented by the sign at the bottom of the consonant. what you see. Consonant plus the vowel U, short U, ukara. If it is long U, that is ukara, then it is represented by the stroke. You can see which points to the right of the consonant. The next one is rikara. Rikara added to the consonant and rikara added to the consonant. You get the special sign as you see here. Then A. A is the long vowel. When added to the consonant, that A will be represented by a stroke at the top of the consonant, A. If it is I, two strokes will be there. Two strokes will be there to the top of at the top of the consonant. If it is O, then it will be represented like this. The vowel O will be represented by a stroke to the right of it plus a stroke at the top. That is O. O will be same as that of O, one more stroke at the top. Two strokes at the top and one stroke to the right. This is O. And is just anuswara, a dot to the top, at the top of the consonant. Aha, the call and visarga is just added to the consonant. So these are the vowel signs. That is the vowel assume these sign when they are added to the consonant. These vowel signs are called gunitaksharani. So therefore, now we are going to add all the vowels to all the consonants. That is simple. Once you know one, other things are simple. You need to practice. And identify the consonant vowel combination. Now you see same thing what we have seen. Kakara plus A. The vowel A is added to the pure consonant, which is kakara, and the resultant is the consonant vowel combination ka. The nether stroke disappears. Then the vowel A is added. Akara is added to the pure consonant kakara. That will be ka. Now you can pronounce it because vowel is added. So it is pronounceable now. Kakara plus A will be ka. One more stroke to the right of it because A, the vowel A is added. So therefore ka. Then kakara plus E will be ki. Combination of two letters. That is, one is pure consonant kakara and the vowel E. Therefore it is pronounceable now. Ki. Ka, ka. Ki, ki. You can see the short and the long. The short and the long, it is not for the consonant, it is because of the vowel. The short vowel A is added, that is why it is ka. The long vowel ka. Short vowel E, ki. Long vowel ki. So both the pronunciation and how it is written that we need to learn. Kakara plus U is ku. Kakara plus U is ku. The long ukara. Kakara plus R. This is kr. This is kr. Okay. Kr is different. R is different. Kr is a combination of consonant and the vowel. Kakara plus rikara is kr. So R is vowel. Now, kakara plus rikara will be kr. It's a long one. Okay. Then kakara plus a, k. Kakara plus a will be k. The two sounds are combined. Kakara is guttural. A is guttural plus palatal. So both sounds are combined, both the consonant and the vowel. And already A is guttural also, guttural plus palatal. That becomes K. K, kakara plus I becomes Kai. Kakara plus O will become Ko. Kakara plus Au is Kau. Kakara plus is Kam. Kakara plus Aha, Kaha. So Kaka, Kiki, Kuku, Kr, Kru, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Kaha. Okay, therefore 14 are there here. 14 forms of Kakara. Kakara can assume 14 forms because of the 14 vowels. Actually, it is 13 plus 2 vowels, right? You have seen vowels are 13 plus 2, 13 plus 2, 13 main vowels and aha. It's only an upalakshana for all the vowels for the Anuswara and Visarga. We have seen that. But why 14 is there? I have removed Likara. One more, the vowel is there, R and L. That Likara you don't see in the screen because the Likara is not used much in the language. That is why that combination I have not shown. Okay, there may be one or two words used. That's all. Therefore, we don't have to worry about it. That's why the Likara, the vowel is not included here. Likara also can be added. Since it is Likara, you don't see much. That's why not showing here. So this is the combination of Kakara plus the vowels. If Kakara, this is for Kakara. If this is Kakara, then same way for other consonants also. Same way for other consonants. So now you see Ka, Ka, Ki. Okay, this is Ku, then Ki, then Ku, then Kr, Kr, Ke, Kai, Ko, sorry, Kau, this is Kau, and then comes Ko, Kam, Kaha. Now the next one will be Kha. You have to pronounce properly. This is Kha, Mahaprana. This is Kha, Ki, Ku, Ki, Ku, then Kr, Kr, Ke, Kai, Kau, Ko, Kam, Kaha. So Kha, Ki, Ku, Kr, Kr, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Kaha. The next one. Okay, you can read now. It is for practice. At least once you can read. Okay, the first person is Deepaji. You can read the next letter. Deepaji, you can unmute your mic and please read. Okay, Deepaji is there. Next person, Akoshi, you can read.
Ga. Ga.
It is Ga.
Ga. Ga. Gi. Gi. Gu. Gi. Gu. Gr. Gr. Gr.
Sorry. Please read.
Go.
No, what you see in the screen now?
Okay. Sorry. Guy. Go. Go. Gum. Gaha.
Yes. Next person. Ravi Raja, I can read.
స్పీకర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
Ga.
Gha, Mahaprana.
Ga. Ga. Gi. Gu. Gi. Gu. Gru.
Gru.
Gru. Ge. Gai. Go.
This is Gau.
Gau. Go. Gum. Gaga.
Okay, next person. Akanksha.
Na.
It is a bit difficult. Nasal.
Na.
Throat plus nasal. Na.
Na. Ni. Nu. Ni.
So you have difficulty in uttering this nasal. Na is guttural plus nasal. Na is dental and na is cerebral. Two nakaras are there, which are different. So that to distinguish this, we have to say just na, na, nya. Okay, anyway, please do.
Nu. Nrit. Nri.
Dr,
Nru. Ni. Nai. No. No. Nam. Naha.
Aha. Okay, a bit difficult that also. Anyway, next person. Akanksha. Which next person? Akanksha now read now. Ikempriya.
Yes, G.
Okay, we'll come to that. Now the whole set of kavarga with the vowels are shown here. Kaka, ki. I sent you the PDF file. You have to practice. If you don't know Devanagari, first time you are practicing everything, then you need to write at least each letter 25 times so that it is registered in the mind. Because after that, we are going to just read the words. So please practice that. So this is Kavarga. The next one will be Chavarga. Yes, now you can read Ekimpriya. This is Chavarga letters, right? All the letters of Chavarga with the vowels. Yeah, you can read now.
Cha. Cha. Chi. Chu. Chi. Chu. Chru.
Chru.
Chru. Che. Chai. Chow. Cho. Chum. Chaha.
Okay, next person. Bhuvaneshi.
Yes. Cha. 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 Chi. Chu. Chi. Chu. Chru. Chri.
Chru, long one.
Re. Che.
Che, you have to say che, long vowel.
Che. Chai. Cho. Cho. Cham. Chaha.
Yes, next person, Parulji.
J, Ja, Ji, Ju, Ji, Ju, Gru, Ju, Jru,
Jru,
Jr, J, Jai, Jo, Jo, Jam, Jah,
okay, next person, Yoganandaji.
Ja,
It is this, read again.
Ja,
It is not ja, it is ja. Stop.
Ja, Ja,
Ja.
Ja.
If you say ja, then how do you pronounce this one?
Okay, Guruji.
So therefore, ja,
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 like
okay.
then
Ja, Ji, Ju, Ji, Ju,
Ju. Next one will be
Jru, Jru, Jai,
this is J.
J, J, J,
One stroke at the top.
Jai, Jau,
Jo.
Jo, Jam, Jaha,
Jaha. Next person, Subbalakshmi.
Yeah. Yeah. Ni. New. Ni. New. No. No. Nghe. Ngày. Nhau.
No.
No. Nhâm.
Yeah.
Nhà hạ.
Yeah. Next person, Deepika ji. Okay. Now this is a chavarga. Cha cha chi chi chu chu. So you should be able to recognize any letter. Now the next class will be Tavarga. Yes, Deepika ji.
Ta,
Ta. It is ta.
ta, ta, ti, tu, ti, tu, tru,
Tr.
tr, tri, te, tai, tau, to, tam, tah.
Yes, next person, Krishna ji.
Tha, tha, thi, thu, thi, thu, tru, tru, the, thai, thau, tho, tham, thah.
Yes, Raja ji.
Tha, tha, ti, 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 tu, tu, tr, tr, te, tai,
It is day. It's a long vowel. Day.
de,
Then die.
dai, Dau, Do, Dum, Dah.
Back to Deepaji.
Da.
Again?
Sorry. Da.
Tha.
Oh, Umaji, you want
Sorry.
to read?
Yes, yes.
Please
Yes,
type
sir.
your name in the chat box. I don't see your name in the chat box.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
If you type name in the chat box, I will call. That's why I told in the beginning, type your name in the chat box. You can read Umaji now. Please read.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
It's okay, you can read now.
Okay, okay, sir.
Please read.
And next I can read, sir. 1 minute, sir. The screen is gone.
Okay, now Deepaji, please read.
Yes.
Da. Da. Di. 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 Do. Di. Do. Drew. Drew.
It is not drew. There is no ukara, u sound. There is no rounding of lips.
Okay. Okay.
Dr,
Dr. Okay.
dr, dr.
Dr.
When you say dr, dr, you don't see the rounding of the lips. The lips are flat only.
Okay.
The tongue touches the cerebrum, the roof of the mouth. So it is not drew.
Dr. Dr. Okay. Day.
Day, it's a long vowel.
Day.
There is no day. Day only is there. Okay.
Okay.
Why? Because we don't have
Short word.
short conjunct is not there.
Okay.
Is there any short conjunct vowel?
No, Guruji.
A, I, O, O.
Okay.
All the 4 are long conjunct vowels.
Okay.
There is no short conjunct.
Die. Dhau. Dho. Dham. Dah.
X person. Akosh.
Can I read, sir?
Yeah. After that you can read now. Akosh, you can continue.
Okay, okay, sir.
Na, Ni, Nu, Ni, Nu, Nr, Nr, Ne, Nai, No, No, Nam, Nah.
Yes, Umaji, you can read now. Okay. So this is Tavarga. So any letter should be able to spot it if I say. Okay. Need to practice. You need to practice this. Yes, now 4th class. You can read Umaji.
Okay, sir. Ta. Ta. Ti. Tu. Ti. Tu. Tr. Tr. Te. Tai. Tau. To. Tam. Taha.
Okay, next person now. Ravi Raja.
Ta.
Tha. Okay, Mahaprana.
Ta. Ti. Ti. Tu. Tu. Tru. Tru. Te.
Te, actually, not te. Te.
Te.
Then
Tai. Tau. To.
tau, to, long vowel.
Tau. To. Tam. Taga.
Yes. Next person. Ignipriya. Ignipriya? Yeah, Akanksha, sorry. Akanksha is there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The, da, di, du, di, du, dr, dr, de, dai, dau, do, dum, dah.
Yes. Now Ignipriya.
Yes, yes, ji. The,
Again,
the,
it is the, short the, Mahaprana.
the.
The consonant is Mahaprana and the vowel is short vowel. So therefore, the,
The,
like in the word dharma,
dharma,
dharma, it is Mahaprana.
dharma. The,
Dha, Mahaprana. You have to say dha.
the,
Say dha,
the,
dha, Mahaprana. You have to emphasize more on that. Dharmika Purusha, dharma.
dharma, dharmika purusha.
That is different. And when you say dhanam, that is different. Dhanam, that is alpa prana. Da,
Dhanam,
dha.
the, di, du, di, du,
Actually, I don't hear the Mahaprana, that emphasis. Dhu, it is dhu.
du, dr,
Dhritarashtra.
dhritarashtra.
Not, it is not Dhritarashtra. 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 Dhri is Mahaprana. So that Mahaprana, that emphasis on the letter must be the consonant. Dhritarashtra.
Dhritarashtra. Dr, de, dai, dau, do,
So,
dum, daha.
okay, next person. Bhuvaneshi.
Yes. Na. Na. Ni. 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 No.
No.
No. Dr. Re.
There is some noise there at your end.
Okay. Probably
Yes, sir.
no, sir. Probably the mic is blowing with air.
Okay,
Ne.
come. Ne. It's a long word. Ne.
Ne. Nai. Now. No. Na.
Okay. This Ne, nai, no, now. Many of you are making it short. It's a long one. That A, I, O, wherever this combination comes, the vowels are A, I, O. The vowels are long vowels. Therefore, ne, nai, no, now. Te, tai, to, tau. The, dhai, dho, dhau. That is how it should be. Okay. So now we know tavarga with the consonant tavarga and the vowels. So ta, ta, ti, ti. Now you can see how many combinations are there. So many combinations we have seen. So all these combinations will be a part of the word. So you should be able to read the word fluently. For that, we need to recognize the letter. What is a consonant and what is the vowel added to it? The vowel to be identified by the vowel sign. So that familiarity is required. For that, you need to practice. You need to write in the workbook, the writing, the workbook, the practice workbook. You can take a printout what is sent through WhatsApp. Practice. You practice as many times as possible so that you are familiar and you can read, you can identify the letter. Okay, up to Tavarga. The next one will be Pavarga that we will see. We will see that in the next class. So Pavarga and then semi-vowel sibilants. We will be able to complete the next class. And after that, we will start reading some words now. After that, some words with the consonant vowel combination. We will see a lot of words will be there. Then we will get into conjunct consonant, important topic, without which we won't be able to read any word in Sanskrit, because most of the words will have conjunct consonant. So once you read that, then the language, this introduction part is over, introduction to the language. Then we will slowly get into the language, the words, and the grammar part of it, slowly. Okay. But for all those things, this is the basic. This is the basic understanding the varna, the ucharana sthanam. All those things are important. Okay, you need to remember and practice. So we will stop here. We'll continue. We'll continue the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.